Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable angle snipping all mice on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Check my video description for this website link guys. I will be given. You just need to scroll down. Click on download latest version. Just need to scroll down. Click on enter Accel zip. After getting download done, you just need to extract it guys. Click on show in folder, right click on it and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to install this number one driver guys. Double click on it and now install the install intercryption. You just need to install it. After installing it, you just need to check my video description for this website link, Microsoft Visual C++. You just need to scroll down. If you are using 64-bit PC guys, then download this link guys. If you are using 32-bit PC, then download this link. I am using 64-bit PC, that's why I am gonna download this link guys. And after getting download done, we just need to install it guys. Click on it and install it. I already installed it, that's why I am getting repair option. You just need to click on install and install it guys. After installing it, you just need to go back to the Accel folder and now you just need to, if you are using 32-bit PC guys, then double click on this application and run this Accel guys. If you are using 64-bit PC, then double click on it, this 64-bit, and click on enter GUI and now click on S. Now mouse, what is your mouse USB refresh rate in HZ? Mine 1000. Click on OK. What is your mouse DPI? Mine is 500. Click on OK. After changing it, click on OK. Now based on your mouse specs, brands and configuration, set up your angle snipping value guys. In here you just need to set the value. After changing the angle snipping value, click on preview changes. Now go to search menu and type paint. Click on open it guys. Now here you can check your angle snipping is working or not. You just need to adjust it guys in angle snipping value and preview changes before proceeding to change your changes guys. This will allow you to enable angle snipping on your mouse and use it guys. This value is according to your mouse. You just need to check whether what value is correct for you guys. You just need to check this line, this like line, putting line, and check that is getting straight, and that's how angle snipping is working guys. Click on save changes and successfully updated settings. Now you can play with the angle snipping tool, and I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.